How to pin a sticker on Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to pin a sticker on Instagram Reels. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your Instagram in your mobile device. To start, let's create a new post, and then slide down to Reels on the bottom area. Now create a new reel. It could be whatever you like. Once you are satisfied, just click on Next. But for now, I'm kinda making sure the length is kinda bigger or longer. Now that I have the video ready, I'm just going to click on Next. This one over here, I'm gonna add a sticker. Something trendy and cool, as they would say. In here, I'm just gonna share it. Now let's wait for Instagram to finish processing our new reel. And there you go. You can now see your new sticker in your Reels. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe as well.